Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel TechWine. In today's video, we will see how to run Python codes in Visual Studio Code. Without taking much of your time, let's start the video. I have opened completely new Windows 10 on my virtual machine. Means in front of you is a completely new Windows 10 machine on which nothing is installed so far, and we will do everything from scratch. To run Python code in our Visual Studio, we need to install latest version of Python on our machine. To do this, open any of your favorite web browsers and search for Python. Now click on these downloads. After that, select the operating system you want to install Python on. I am using Windows, so I will click on this Windows. After that, we need to install latest version of Python, that is Python 3. So click on this first link, scroll down. I am using 64-bit computer system. Please make sure whether you are using 32-bit computer system or 64-bit. Download according to your system. You can see the download has started. Once the download is complete, click on this open file. After that, click on customize installation. Make sure all these boxes are selected. Click next. After that, select this box install for all users and also this one, add Python to environment variables. After that, we need to change the path, so select this one and click on browse. After that, click on this PC. After that, scroll down, click on this local disk C. After that, click on this make new folder and press Ctrl plus V. After that, hit OK and press install. Now wait till the installation finishes. Now once the installation finishes, click on close. After that, minimize the web browser and open command prompt, and in the command prompt type Python. If you are able to see this Python version, congrats, you have completed the first step. Now on to the next step. Now in this step, we will download Visual Studio Code. Again, open your favorite web browser and search for VS Code. As we are using Windows machine, we will download it for Windows. But if you are using Linux or Mac OS, download the respective setups. You can see the download has started. Once the download finishes, click on open file. Now you can minimize the web browser. Now click on I accept the agreement, then next. Again click on next. Then click on install. Now we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on our machine. Click on finish. Now we need to configure our Visual Studio Code to run our Python codes. So in the search bar type vs and open your Visual Studio Code. Now we need to add some extensions. So click on this and search for Code Runner. Click on this first one and press on this install. Basically, this extension will allow you to run the code by using shortcut keys, like you can run code using Ctrl plus Alt plus N. Now we need to add another extension. So search for Python. Click on this install and wait for few seconds. Now let's try to write some Python code and see if it works. Now click on this file, new text file. Now we have to select a language. So click on this and type py and select Python. Now let's write some code. Now we need to first save this file. So press Ctrl plus S and now rename your file anything you want. Just add an extension .py while saving. Now let's try to run the code. Click on this play button and you can see the Python has printed our message hello world. You can see that the output is not in terminal, but we want this output to be in terminal so that whenever the user need to feed input values to program, he can. But in this mode, he can only read the outputs. To get your outputs in terminal, now click on this setting icon. After that, click settings and in this search bar type run in terminal. Scroll down. You can see this run in terminal option. Please check this box. After that you can close these settings. Now whenever we will run this code, we will get output in this terminal section. You can see the font size is very small. You can change this font size from the settings. In the search bar, search for fonts, hit enter. You can increase the font size from here. Let's set it to 30. You can see our font size has increased. Now let me show why we want this output to be in our terminal section. Let's write a small code very quickly. Now let's run this code. You can see the program is asking for user input. In the terminal we can give user inputs. See, the program has printed a plus b, that is the first name plus the second name. So we want the output to be in our terminal section so that we can give the user inputs. Now you can run your Python codes in VS Code. Soon I will upload a project named Voice Assistant on my channel and we will be using Python for that project. So I have uploaded this configuration video first so that you can follow along with that project easily, as I will be using VS Code. You can also watch sneak peek of that project in my video, which should pop up now as I button. Please guys, if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. Thanks for watching. For the next time, stay safe, stay healthy.